be this? What be this?
Get up, please. Get up.
Why are you waking me up? I'm sleeping.
Sleep with you.
What is it? What's the problem? What is it now? What is the problem? Why are you waking me up? Did you have a bad dream?
How can I sleep?
Wait, you can't sleep. How?
You know what I'm doing?
What I'm doing? What did I do now? I'm sleeping now.
You be mumu.
You're sleeping. You don't want me to sleep, right?
What do you mean I don't want you to sleep now? What did I do now?
You don't know what you're doing.
What did I do? Am I not sleeping? What can somebody do? Someone is sleeping now. What can the person do?
Now, tell me, how can you be snoring like Dangote trailer?
Me?
Yes, like Dangote trailer.
I beg, go, Joe. Me, do I snore? I don't snore, Joe. Is that why you're waking me up?
Look me.
I beg, I don't
Even if it's
snore,
wrong.
Is it I do?
See, listen. Expect a step. Else I will push you out of this.
I don't snore. Don't wake me up because of this kind of nonsense again. Do you know how the climate have already reached?
Jesus!
I've entered the 10th dimension of sleep.
Lie down 2 seconds. You are at local jam. Driving trailer.
I beg, don't wake me up because of this nonsense again. No. How can you be accusing me wrongly? Leave me, Joe. Who snores? Me and you, who used to snore?
Even if it's ambulance.
But me and you, for real, who used to snore? That's why you don't woke me up. Me that I've actually gone deep. Do you know the level I've entered? The dimension.
I sleep side.
Don't try it again, no.
I saw driving trailer.
I'm not the one holding your sleep. Sleep your own sleep. Let me sleep my own sleep.
Before 2 minutes, like you are at local jam. Imagine. Even on the ground, this is morning. Guys. What do I do?